Now that you have received your brand new SAVeII Plus Simplified Automated Ventilator, let's review what is inside. First, you're going to want to remove the documentation, which includes the calibration certificate, the operation manual, and the quick start guide. Set those aside to review later. Next, you will want to remove the patient circuit, the noise attenuator, and the extendable O2 reservoir tube. And lastly, let's remove the ventilator and the power cord from the case. Now you're ready to test it out. Check out our other video, how to use the SAVeII Plus in 5 simple steps to get started.